Hi, this is Sharon Haley. I teach at Eastridge High School. I teach a course called World Wars on the world wars of the 20th century, including World War I and World War II, in particular in U.S. history. We hear heroic tales of courage and survival. We see some video footage and hear some music from both wars. We do virtual field trips to the U.S. Holocaust Museum as well as Fort Snelling National Cemetery, and we have guest speakers, either virtual or in person, hopefully in person. Spam is one of the things we talk about because it was invented in 1937 by the Hormel Company in Austin, Minnesota. So it has a Minnesota connection, but also because it fed a lot of troops during World War II, as well as the Rosie the Riveter type people and their families. This M8 light armored car was built in St. Paul, Minnesota, and we know that from the serial number on it. And many of these, over 5,000, were constructed here in Minnesota when the Ford plant was still open during World War II. This is at the Commemorative Air Force Museum in South St. Paul at Fleming Field. Richard Fleming was killed in World War II at the Battle of Midway, and he was a South St. Paul resident. So the field itself was renamed after him after 1942 when he was killed. So anyway, we go to Fort we go to the South St. Paul Airport to take a look at it if it will work out. George Patton, he bridges the gap between World War I and World War II because he was in both areas with the Tank Corps in World War I, and of course in World War II as a general, and he was actually killed just after the war ended. Some students at Fort Snelling National Cemetery when it's been good enough weather for us to go in the fall. Helen Hales representing women in World War II. And then Charles Lindbergh, the final flag raiser on Iwo Jima, I should say, the Minnesota representative flag raiser on Iwo Jima in World War II. So anyway, just a few things about World Wars. If you're interested in signing up, it's just a one trimester class. We do a lot of learning about the situation relating to what caused the wars and then the effects of the war, but also talk about the battles, the home front, etc. If you have any questions, just see Ms. Haley. Have a great day. Thanks.